Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing minimal essentials. Node, JSLTS, a modern browser, and VS Code. Once done, create a project folder and run npm initY to get package. JSON, make sure to add an index. JS and a simple console. Log to verify runtime. You should also install ESLint and prettier extensions in your editor so feedback appears as you code. These steps let you write and run JavaScript immediately while enforcing good style habits. You now deepen your practice. Focus on scope, closures, prototypes, and async patterns. Understand why each matters for maintainability. Once done with small exercises, build a tiny CRUD app manipulating the DOM to connect theory to real behavior. Make sure to refactor code into ES modules and try a bundler like sbuild for speed. Mix short kata sessions with a longer project so you internalize patterns. This is how complexity you finish by hardening and shipping. Add tests with Jest and introduce TypeScript or JSDoc for clearer contracts. Once done, configure CI and deploy the frontend to Netlify or Vercel and a Node backend to a simple host. Make sure to monitor logs and add source maps for production debugging. If something breaks, narrow it down with console logs, browser breakpoints, and git bisect to find the offending commit. That single troubleshooting approach saves hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.